Ever feel like you're playing a high-stakes game of financial Jenga, where one wrong move sends everything tumbling down? We've all been there. That moment when a small, unexpected expense hits, and suddenly, your carefully planned budget looks like a distant, laughable memory. In those moments, services like Beforepay can seem like a lifeline. A quick, easy advance to bridge the gap until payday. But what happens when that lifeline starts to feel more like an anchor? What happens if, for whatever reason, you simply don't pay? Let's be real, life throws curveballs. Job losses, unexpected medical bills, plain old forgetfulness, the reasons are endless. But ignoring those Beforepay repayments isn't going to make them disappear. It's more like kicking a can down the road, and that can is about to get a whole lot heavier. First off, those friendly reminder notifications? They're going to escalate. Expect more frequent calls, emails, and even text messages. Beforepay, like any lender, wants their money back. And they're not going to just let it slide. Next, you'll likely start seeing late fees. These fees are designed to incentivize repayment, but they quickly add up, turning a small debt into a much larger one. Suddenly, that quick $200 advance could cost you significantly more. But the real kicker? Your credit score. Beforepay, like many similar services, may report your delinquent payments to credit bureaus. This means a serious hit to your creditworthiness. A lower credit score impacts your ability to secure loans, rent apartments, or even get certain jobs in the future. That seemingly small debt can have long-lasting consequences, casting a shadow over your financial life for years. Now, let's talk about the potential for debt collection. Beforepay might eventually hand over your account to a debt collection agency. These agencies are known for their aggressive tactics, and they're not going to be as understanding as the initial lender. Expect persistent calls, letters, and even the threat of legal action. And speaking of legal action, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. While it's less common for smaller amounts, Beforepay could pursue legal avenues to recover the debt. This could mean court appearances, wage garnishment, and even further damage to your credit. It's easy to dismiss these warnings as scare tactics. But the truth is, ignoring your obligations with services like Beforepay creates a domino effect. One missed payment can lead to a cascade of financial problems, impacting your life in ways you might not even anticipate. So, what's the takeaway? If you're struggling to repay, don't bury your head in the sand. Communicate. Reach out to Beforepay. Explain your situation. They might be willing to work with you on a payment plan or offer some form of relief. Ignoring the problem only makes it worse. Remember, those short-term fixes can quickly turn into long-term burdens. Financial responsibility isn't always easy, but it's crucial. Understand the terms, manage your repayments, and avoid the pitfalls of ignoring your obligations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.